hope you guys are doing well. So recently I made a new workflow for a client, and this time it is an Instagram scraper. So here's the workflow, and let me just quickly give you a run through the entire workflow. So here's a Google form, which is a trigger, where a person will put in their name, email address, and the Instagram handle. And once they click the submit on the Google form, it will pass on the information to a new Google sheet, which will be created from a template over here. Once the Google Sheet is created, then it will basically catch the data from an API call that we did for the scraper, which will basically then be fetched into this Open API model, which will then analyze the data and create a strategy breakdown of what that influencer or that guy is doing with the post. And then the data which will be received in this Open API model will be then updated in the row in a new template in a new Google Sheet altogether, and it will be filled over here. So that is what happens throughout the entire workflow. Like over here, the post will be fetched, and then the OpenAI module will analyze the post and then update the following fields. After that, I have used an Appify module over here in order to basically scrape all the engagements data, the URL, the picture of the content which has been uploaded by a person. And then ultimately what will happen that once the entire sheet has been populated, a Google Shared link will be created, and uh, an automatic email will be sent with a customized message. As you can see over here, everything is dynamic over here. So let's go over here and start the workflow. So I'll go over here, type in my name. I'll put in my email, which is this. And let's say we are analyzing Mr. Beast's profile. So once this is done, I go over here and I'll run the workflow. So the workflow is running great. The data is being gathered. It will take some time. So yeah, the workflow is complete, and let's go step by step and see if everything was done or not. So let's just go first and check if I've received an email, and if I've received everything in the right manner. So yeah, here it is. I've received an email, and here is the email. I have the Google link, and here's the file. And before that, I've also created a Google Drive for myself in which I can basically check that for the clients that I've basically scraped the data for. So only I will be able to see the files that will be coming over here, and I can sort and work it out accordingly. So let's go and see if the data which was fetched was correct or not. So yeah, here it is. Everything was fetched perfectly. The picture, the name of the influencer or whatever person, the total followers, the total number of posts, the description. Here's the entire strategy breakdown of what Mr. Beast basically does. Here are the key tactics overview of what basically key type of content Mr. Beast usually posts. And here are the images and the engagements and stuff for Mr. Beast. So I hope so yeah this and if you guys want to create any workflows, so reach out to me, DM me, and we can talk right away and make any sort of automation for you. So have a good day. Bye bye.